In this video tutorial I will show you how to blur a face in the CapCut editing app. First, make sure that your CapCut app is updated. Then open it up. Create a new project. And import your video. Here's my video and I want to blur her face. So tap on the Effects button. Then Video Effects. Go to the Lens tab. And then select the blur effect. And add it to the video. Here you can adjust the blur however you want to be. After that, tap on the overlay button. And add the same video to your project. Make sure it's the same size as the frame. Now select the second video and then scroll down until you find a mask option. Select a circle mask. Then tap on the invert button. Put the blur over the face. So now if the face is moving, we want our blur to move with the face. We have to add keyframes. So go to the part of the video where you have to move the blur. And tap on the keyframe button. Now go to the parts of the video and move the blur. The keyframe will automatically be added to the video. After you are done, you can export your video. That is how you can blur a face in the CapCut editing app.